Here's the brutal truth. Most people who Google how to make money online never see a single dollar. I almost joined that club. 3 years ago I had 42 cents in my account, 0 skills, and a beat-up laptop I bought off Craigslist for $50. One accidental discovery later, I stumbled onto a 7-step roadmap that took me from $2 surveys to an AI business that covers my rent while I'm asleep. In the next 12 minutes I'm handing you the exact map, no fluff, no $997 course. Stick around if you're done guessing and ready to get paid. Let's start stupid simple. Open Swagbucks or mTurk right now. These sites will literally pay you to watch trailers, tick boxes, or confirm that a photo contains a stop sign. Is it glamorous? Nope. You'll pull maybe $3 to $5 an hour at first. But that first PayPal ping is proof the internet will pay you. Pro tip. Queue up tasks while Netflix asks if you're still watching, then cash out the second you hit the minimum, usually $5. Use that coffee money to grab a $12 headset. Your background noise just became Step 2's best friend. If you just earned your first Fiverr online, smash the like button. More eyeballs on this video means fewer people stuck at zero. Section 2 Step 2. Flip your closet on marketplaces. Your closet is a warehouse you didn't know you owned. Haven't worn it in a year? It's inventory. Snap 3 photos in daylight, listed on eBay or Facebook Marketplace at 20% under the lowest buy it now, and watch it sell while you're brushing your teeth. My first flip was a cracked iPad. Sold for $110, $67 profit after fees. That cash-funded garage sale hunting the next weekend. 10 flips at $20 profit each equals a $200 Saturday. Keep DoorDash off the table. Every dime gets rolled into the next step. Section 3 Step 3. Micro gigs on TaskRabbit and Rover. Can you walk a dog or tighten a light bulb? Good, you're hired. Download TaskRabbit and Rover. Write 3 bullet points in your profile. Reliable, local, same day. Price yourself at the low end, $20 an hour, to grab 5-star reviews fast. 2 weekends of furniture builds and dog walks built me a $300 cushion that paid for Canva Pro and the first month of Shopify. Bonus. These gigs teach you customer messaging, time blocking, and how to upsell, haul away the trash, for an extra $10. Treat each gig like a mini MBA. Section 4 Step 4. Freelance a skill you pretend to have. Here's the cheat code. You only need to be 1 YouTube tutorial ahead of your client. Spend 2 nights binge learning, background removal in Photoshop, product description writing, or TikTok caption editing. Pick one, create 1 portfolio piece, then post 3 Fiverr gigs priced at $5, $15, and $35. My first order paid $12 for a logo tweak I churned out in 7 minutes using a free Canva template. After 10 reviews, bump your prices 30%. Rinse until you're clearing $200 to $300 a week. Type freelance in the comments and I'll DM you my exact gig templates. Now have you bringing in $300 to $500 a month. Time to automate. Pick a niche you naturally scroll at 1 a.m., budget travel, K-pop outfits, home workouts. Open a TikTok account and a Pinterest board. Crank out 15-second videos with stock clips and CapCut text overlays. Drop Amazon Associates links in every bio. When someone clicks and buys, you pocket 3 to 10%. My pin on $20 packing cubes still spits out $40 to $60 a month 2 years later. The secret sauce. 3 posts a day for 30 days straight. Let ChatGPT handle hooks, Canva bulk creates pins, and you never touch a camera. Step 6. Print on demand storefront. You've now got $500 to $700 in monthly profit. Turn those affiliate clicks into your own products. Fire up an Etsy store for print on demand journals and mugs. Upload 10 designs from Midjourney or free Kittl templates, price at 40% margin. When an order rolls in, Printful prints, packs, and ships, you're sipping coffee. My first Etsy store hit $1,000 profit in month 3 because I targeted micro seasons, finals week survival kit, dog mom summer vibes. Once you're pushing 20 sales a day, hire a VA from onlinejobs.ph for $3 an hour to keep the uploads coming while you sleep. Step 7. The AI flywheel business. Time to turn the whole thing into a machine. You've got cash flow, testimonials, and content that ranks. Now let AI handle the boring stuff. Jasper writes product descriptions, Zapier fires off customer emails, and ChatGPT scripts faceless YouTube videos that send traffic back to your store. Layer in recurring revenue with a $9 a month Patreon for printable planners. Automate bookkeeping with Wave, schedule posts with Publer, and watch Notion dashboards tick upward. My current setup runs 90% hands-off, pulling around $600 profit on an average day from 4 income streams. I work about 4 hours a week tweaking prompts and answering the occasional DM. Want my exact prompts and automation blueprints? Type AI Flywheel below and download free tool in the description or linktree in my bio. 3 years ago I had $3.42 in overdraft alerts. Today the same account has commas because I followed these 7 steps, reinvested every early dollar, and let compound effort handle the rest. Your timeline might be faster, the tools are better now. Open Swagbucks tonight while this video ends, and don't stop until step 7 covers rent while you're on a beach. If this roadmap saves you even 1 week of random Googling, hit subscribe, share it with a friend who still swears online money is fake, and I'll catch you in the next video where we crank that artificial intelligence flywheel up to 11.